Okay, Ishan, I am on to you now. Tell me which questions. Just tell me again.
Ma'am, 7th, 8th, and 11th.
Okay, everyone on mute till the time I ask you to unmute. Ishan, you unmute. Nitin's school starts at 9:15 a.m. and gets over at 2:40 p.m. So how long is the school for, Ishan? From 9:15 a.m. till 2:40 p.m. what is the time duration? See, if I start from 9:15, look here. After 1 hour, 10:15, then 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15. Yes, 5 hours ho gaye. From 2:15 to 2:40, I will check minutes. So tell me how many minutes from 2:15 to 2:40 p.m. Ishan, jaldi question.
25 minutes. 25 minutes.
25 minutes from 2:15 till 2:40, are you saying? Correct.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
hours 25 minutes is the total time duration. Okay. Now there is a lunch break also in the school, and lunch break is from 11:45 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. So how long is the lunch break for? How long is the lunch break for? Quick. ईशान ऑनलाइन एग्जाम देना है, टाइम अप हो जाएगा बच्चे. 11:45 a.m. to 2:10 p.m. 12:10 p.m. means 25 minutes. That's it. Ishan, are you there? Is Ishan there? Okay, chalo. Anyways, I'm explaining this.
25 minutes.
25 minutes. So if I take out 25 minutes from 5 hours and 25 minutes, how much time am I left with? 5 hours? That is the
And I didn't get you.
Okay, Ishan, 9:15 से 2:40, 9:15 a.m. से 2:40 p.m. तक, what is the time duration? What is the time duration from 9:50 to 2:40?
Ma'am, 5 hours.
5 hours and 25 minutes, correct? Ishan, why are you not responding?
Yes, ma'am.
And from 11:45 to 12:10 also it is 25 minutes, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishan, the total duration of the school was 5 hours 25 minutes, out of which there was a break for 25 minutes. So what is the time duration for study periods? Out of the total time, if you subtract 25 minutes.
5 hours.
5 hours. That's what I'm saying. Correct.
And from what we should subtract 25?
We have to subtract 25 minutes from 5 hours and 25 minutes. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 8 says, a bus starts from Meerut to Delhi at 9:25 a.m. On the way, the bus broke down. Oh my God. Buses. Now there is a problem in the bus. At what time did it happen? It happened at 10:35. So from 9:25 till 10:35, bus was working fine. Then a mechanic was called and the bus resumed journey at 11:10 a.m. Bus broke down at 10:35 and it took time to repair and it was back on at 11:10 a.m. So that means the time between 10:35 a.m. and 11 a.m. is all waste. The bus was not moving. Now, when the bus resumed at 11:10 a.m., now it reached Meerut at 12:25 p.m. So this gives the understanding that actually moving time of the bus is from.
Ma'am, the answer 3 hours.
The answer is?
3 hours.
Wait, let me calculate. It says at what time would the bus have reached Meerut had it not gone out of order? So first calculate what is the total, for how long was the bus moving? These are the two timings in which the bus was moving. The bus was covering the journey. What is the time between 9:25 to 10:35? How long?
1 hour 10 minutes.
1 hour 10 minutes. And between 11:10 to 12:25? Quick.
Ma'am, 1 hour 15 minutes.
Thank you. Excellent. Okay. That means actually in the bus it takes 2 hours and 25 minutes if you want to do a journey from Meerut to Delhi. Now in between bus broke down. So how much time was wasted? Now calculate the time that was wasted. Total journey from Meerut to Delhi is for 2 hours and 25 minutes. In between, because the bus broke down, so the time was wasted. If the time would not have been wasted, then at what time would the bus have reached Delhi? This is the question. Agar bus kharab nahi hoti, then at what time would have bus reached Meerut? No, sorry, Delhi. So if we find out that how much time was wasted, then we can figure out. We will go backward. From 12:25, we will go that much time backward.
Ma'am, 35 minutes.
Excellent. Thank you. Who is this brilliant child who is doing all the time calculations for me? So that means if the bus reached at 12:25, go back by 35 minutes now. If the bus would not have broken down, then it would have reached its destination 35 minutes earlier. So if I go back by 35 minutes from the reaching time, that is 12:25 p.m. If there would have been no problem in the bus, at what time would I reached Delhi? At 11:50 a.m. Right? 12:25 say go back by 35 minutes. So you will get 11:50 p.m. 11:50 a.m.
50 a.m.
Yes. At what time would the bus have reached Meerut had it not gone out of order? It would have reached Meerut at 11:50 a.m. Children, you're still taking too long to solve these questions. You know, online exam, the time will run like this. Speed has to be there. Speed is not coming in this batch at all. You know what? In batch 2, there are so many children and they do calculation like this, hardly 3-4 classes. I have taken for them, maybe 5-6, not more than that. So be quick and have confidence that your calculations are right and be a bit quick. So is this question clear, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I saw Abdul was raising hand. Abdul, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt in.
Yes, but a question number which?
5.
5. Okay, Ishan, which is your next question? Is it 5 only?
No, ma'am. 11.
Okay, so first Abdul, we'll do 11, then we will go back to 5. Aradhya, which question from the sheet?
This sheet only, and question number 11.
Okay, Ishan also has same doubt. A hawker starts distributing newspapers at 6:35 a.m. He takes 40 minutes in society A and 25 minutes in society B. Find the time when he drops his last newspaper.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you increase the font size?
Sure, I can. How to do it? Wait, every time I cross
There is a plus sign and minus sign.
Okay, done? Okay. Okay, so where was I? Find the time when he drops his last newspaper. Okay, so we have to find the time when he finishes the work. If he has to finish work by 7:30 a.m., at what time would he start? So there are two questions in one question only. So let's answer one by one. If the hawker starts distributing the newspapers at 6:35, he takes 40 minutes in one society and 25 minutes in another society. So what is 40 minutes plus 25 minutes? Quickly tell me. Pranavi, quickly tell me now.
1 hour. 1 hour.
No.
65 minutes.
65 minutes. It is 1 hour and 5 minutes.
65 minutes. Ma'am, 65 minutes.
Yes. Now 6:35 a.m. if he starts and it takes him 1 hour and 5 minutes, then at what time will he finish? What is the time? If right now it is 6:35 a.m., what is the time after 1 hour 5 minutes? Quickly tell me.
12:40.
Right now the time is
7:40.
It will be 7:40. 7:40. Okay. Now.
And I had 11:35 a.m.
But it is 6:35 a.m.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if I start at 6:35 a.m., I finish my work at 7:40 a.m. Right? If I want to finish my work at 7:30 a.m. in place of 7:40 a.m., then at what time should I start?
6:25.
Excellent.
25.
Excellent.
25.
If I want to finish my work 10 minutes early,
25.
I have to start 10 minutes early. See, today I really like the way you're doing calculations today. I think this topic itself.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Who is it, bacha? Pranavi? Okay. So, okay. Listen to me again. 6:35 a.m. Pranavi, if I start distributing the newspapers, I take 40 minutes in one society and 25 minutes in another society. So how long do I take to distribute the newspapers? 1 hour, 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I start my work at 6:35 a.m., so when will I finish it? If I take 1 hour, 5 minutes, when will I finish it?
We will finish at 7:40.
Correct. Now I have to go somewhere and I want to finish my work 10 minutes early. In place of 7:40, I want to finish my work at 7:30. So at what time shall I start so that I finish my work at 7:30?
-10?
Yes. -10 from 6:35. So what time will you get?
And 6:20.
6:25.
6:25.
Clear, Pranavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, let's go to question number 5 for Abdul. I remember we did, Abdul, this question in the last class. Never mind. A train started from Delhi at 5:30 p.m. and reached Allahabad at 4:05 a.m. So how long the journey lasts? Abdul, please unmute and do with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abdul. Now from 5:30 p.m. we will start calculating in hours. What will be the time after 1 hour?
6.
Abdul. 6:30. Right now the time is 5:30 p.m. Abdul. Okay. So if the time right now is 5:30, what will be the time after 1 hour?
30 p.m.
6:30. Pranavi, don't speak in between. Let Abdul do. Okay. Again after 1 hour.
7:30 p.m.
After 1 hour.
8:30.
After 1 hour.
9:30 p.m.
After 1 hour.
10:30.
10:30. Then 11:30. 12:30. 1:30. 2:30. 3:30. Yes, 3:30 a.m. तक पहुंच गए अब्दुल. We have reached till 3:30 a.m. and how many hours so far? 10 hours. Correct? Okay. Now from 3:30 a.m. till 4:05 a.m. tell me the minutes. How many more minutes will be there?
The answer is 10 or 35 minutes.
Correct. Abdul? Yes, it is 10 hours. Yes, it is 10 hour 35 minutes. Did you understand, Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any more doubts from this exercise?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. 3:30 I didn't understand.
What?
After 3:30 I didn't understand.
After 3:30, Pranavi, now you have to go till 4:05. We are at 3:30 a.m. What is the time gap between 3:30 a.m. and 4:05 a.m.?
35.
35 minutes, correct? So the time gap between 5:30 p.m. and 4:05 a.m. is 10 hours and 35 minutes. See, this is what we were doing. We were calculating the time gap between 5:30 p.m. and 4:05 a.m.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, so I'll go to then. Yes, Ishan, any other doubt in this sheet?
No, ma'am. Can you see my face?
No, I can see UCAM 5 and circle thing, and there is a small green eye in between. There is a raise hand sign on your screen, but I can't see.
Prince didn't see my face.
No, you want to rejoin? You can rejoin. I'm opening 6.3. Anybody who tried this exercise and anything you want me to explain? Anyone?
Tried exercise. I think I tried till 5 or 7th question.
So any doubts so far, Pranavi?
No, ma'am.
No, you didn't find anything difficult? Okay. Is Ishan out of the class? Okay, yes, he's joining back. So shall I pick random questions and do it with you before I do time? Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Generally, what I do is I give you chance that you try everything, and whatever you people find difficult, that becomes our classwork, isn't it? Because there are so many children in the class, and whatever questions they pick up as difficult, I feel that whatever you feel difficult, I should clear that thing first. So if you can do all the questions on your own, no problem, na? That means you're already cheetahs, and you can easily go and earn some medal in Olympiad.
Ma'am, could I go to washroom?
Yes, Mukund, go. Chalo then, I am going to give you something. Let's see. How many questions are there? Let me.
Ma'am, I think there are 20 questions. 20 questions.
Only 15 questions. Only
15 questions. Homework?
See, there are 15 questions. I will do 5 questions with you, and then I'm going to do temperature. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is 7:31. It should not take longer than 7:45.
Ma'am, did the temperature questions? I tried temperature questions. In that, I got doubt in temperature questions only.
No. I haven't taught you any formulas yet. So let me teach you formulas first. Pranavi, we will go by formulas in temperature.
Ma'am, where were we? Because I was in the washroom.
We didn't do anything. Okay, chalo. Look at question number 15. If a student can read one page in 5 minutes, how much time will she take to read 50 pages? If you
50 multiplied by 5.
how come? आज अलारिका नहीं है ना? आज अलारिका की आवाज नहीं आ रही. Okay. If you can,
She didn't join. 250.
yeah.
Ma'am, 250. 250. Ma'am, 250. Ma'am, 250.
Okay. If you can read one page in 5 minutes, how much time will it take for you to read 50 pages? 250 minutes. Okay, convert them into hours and minutes now. In 250 minutes, how many hours can you think of? 1 hour has 60 minutes. 6 ones is 6, 6 twos is 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 20.
4 hours, 4 hours, 10 minutes.
Excellent.
4 hours, 10 minutes. 4 hours, 10 minutes. Ma'am, this is Babu, but Ma'am, 4 hours, 10 minutes. Ma'am, everyone get 1 hour, 10 minutes.
Boy Bobby, repeat again.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how we can get 120 minutes.
Boy Bobby, if you are reading one page in 5 minutes, how long will you take to read 2 pages?
Multiplied by 5.
1 second. Let Boy Bobby speak. When everyone speaks, the other child doesn't get clarity. Boy Bobby, unmute, bacha. If it takes you 5 minutes to read 1 page, how long will you take to read 2 pages?
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
1 second.
10 minutes.
10 minutes for 3 pages.
15.
For 4 pages.
20.
Correct. So what are you doing? You are multiplying 5 with number of pages. So if you multiply 5 minutes with 50 pages, you will get to know that how long will you take to read 50 pages. So 5 into 50 is 250.
100 minutes. And 1 hour 40 minutes.
But 250 minutes, how does it make 1 hour?
50 multiplied by 5.
5 multiplied by 50, you are saying no, it gives 250 minutes.
100, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, I'm doing 50.
How 100?
Ma'am, I written the wrong number. Yes, ma'am. It is 250 minutes.
That's what I'm saying. So how many hours and how many minutes can you take? How many hours can you take out? If you convert 250 minutes into hours and minutes, you will get 4 hours and 10 minutes. Because 4 hours means 240 minutes. Each hour has 60 minutes. Whenever you have to change minutes to hours, what do? You divide by 60.
Amen.
Okay.